My name is Mike Regan. I own this company. Let me talk to you about the future.
It crashed.
Grab the temp guy.
You really saved my ass in there. Maybe you can come over to our house, have a look at our internet.
Ed Porter, ma'am. I'm the IT guy.
This is our daughter, Kaylin.
Hi. I was with the NSA.
The NSA?
You know, the smart panels in your home have built-in cameras, right?
I had them disabled. I like my privacy.
Good luck with that.
Evening, Mike. Caitlin, she texted me.
This is family, friends. Have a good night.
Who was it?
Nobody.
We have an issue.
We've been hacked.
Someone's fucking with us.
Polished man with a successful business and the perfect family. You're not the master of the universe, Mike.
I got an email today that said that I tested positive for breast cancer. It had to be him.
You have any evidence that he's actually done any of these things?
We'll see how tough you are when your little planes start falling out of the sky.
Until we can clean out the hack, everything's grounded.
Change everything. Passwords, codes, secure this place. The pictures you take, the things you put out there, they can be used to hurt you.
Privacy's over, Mike. It's a whole new world now.
I want you to fix it.
I promise.
He has serious mental health issues. He is a bad man.
I'm gonna kill you, Porter. It's as simple as that.